Well, we have breaking news, folks, not in the verdict watch we're just talking about here in the Ryan King case, but we've also been watching the U.S. versus Michael Avenatti case being held in federal court. Of course, no cameras there, but the jury has reached a verdict in that case. This is the case involving basically fraud in the dealings with Stormy Daniels, Stephanie Clifford, who says that he absconded with at least 300 grand of the money she was supposed to get in her book deal. The verdict, guilty on both counts. So we will have a report on this case as we move through the afternoon. Again, in U.S. federal court, Michael Avenatti found guilty of both counts against him in fraud as it dealt with the representation of his client, Stephanie Clifford. So we'll get into that. Hey, I've got a couple of great guests here today to talk about this latest development and the pending verdict in the Ryan King case. I have Karen Felicia Nance. She is with me once again. Good to have you as always, Karen. She is a criminal defense attorney. Hope things are going well today. Thanks for taking the time to pop in here. And I also have with me Mitra Ahurian. Now, Mitra, as I always do with a first-time guest, I apologize. That just covers pretty much anything that might come about in the course of your visit today. So let me start with you, since you're new to my program anyway. We just get this verdict in the Avenatti case. We're going to talk more about it in detail. Gut reaction?
Not surprised one bit. The standard was really whether he had the money and spent it in good faith and really believed that, pursuant to his agreement with his client, that he was entitled to that money. And the reality is we had the text messages, right, saying that he knew exactly what he was doing. He was lying about it. He forged her signature. There's really no way around the fact that he was aware that the money hit his account and he was lying to his client about it. So I am not surprised one bit.
Yeah. Karen, as we say, if you represent yourself, you have a fool for a client. How is it going to be Michael Avenatti representing himself? I don't know that he's got a great Sixth Amendment ineffective counsel argument, but who knows? I wouldn't put anything past the guy.
I agree. He had counsel at the onset, decided that it was better for him to represent himself. And the cross-examination of Ms. Daniels probably did him in. I think that wasn't a wise move on his part. And so I think that he gets what he deserves in this particular case. He's an attorney. He should know better, or excuse me, a former attorney, and should know better. And so it'll be interesting to see what the verdict is. I mean, the sentencing is going to be in this particular case. But I believe the jury came back with the right decision on both counts.
Yeah. Again, we'll have details on this case in the next few minutes or so. But let's turn our attention back, folks, to the case we are officially at verdict watch on, which is the case out of Nashville, Tennessee.
Hi, this is Dan Abrams with exciting news for all of our Law and Crime followers on YouTube. You can now get the live Law and Crime Network with YouTube TV for all of your daily live trial coverage, legal news, expert analysis, and original true crime programs. Subscribe to YouTube TV today, and then locate Law and Crime in the channel guide. And for only $1.99 a month, you can add the network to your bundle. Watch Law and Crime every day with YouTube TV. We put you in the jury box.